What's up, everybody? Finally, we've got a skid plate for the 250L Rally that doesn't require an exoskeleton frame to be effective. Also, I've gone tubeless in the rear. We got a gummy tire just in time for the rock garden video, which will be coming up after this one. So this place is a rocky and rooty mess. If there was ever a time I had anxiety about my glass crankcase, it was today. My skid plate was supposed to be here. It said by the end of the day Saturday, and it showed up at 9 o'clock. And I decided to go riding. So I've been debating adding a Pelican case to the back of my bike, and this guy I've been riding with today, he has one. Same exact idea I'm planning on doing. I want to keep my cameras and stuff in there and be able to charge batteries on the run. While I'm at it, I'll give you guys an update on everything I've done in the past year. It's got the Seat Concepts low cut carbon seat on it. It's dug me out of a couple problems, getting high centered and losing my footing with the stock seat. Skid plate looks really nice and heavy duty. Got my Zeta sprocket cover so it doesn't get all mucked up inside of there and tear my chain up. Running a Hammerhead plus 20 shifter, and got the DRC foot pegs. They're a little heavy, but they work pretty good. You can't see it, but I've got the Bigfoot kickstand also. I'm running the Renthal 1444 setup. I like it a lot better than the 1342. I got the Olin's in the back, Race Tech up in front, and takes care of them bumps and soaks up all them lumps. Can't nobody stop me thumping. Oh, I'm an idiot. That was for you, Mark. I spend all day at work mocking the songs on the radio and changing the words around. I just can't help myself. I got the Yoshimura slip-on. The header pipe's the same exact size, so it was like, I'll save $150. There's that tire. Got the high and low pressure system for the tubeless. I was only able to get it to about 90 psi. I'm running about 15 on the low side. I'll get it pumped up. I went ahead and redid the rear brakes. Put some copper in there. There's that old one. Watch out, ladies. This skid plate from the rear, it's got pretty good coverage. It should sit on the stand a lot better. And you got that plastic skid plate flexing all over the place. Should still be able to change the oil. Hopefully it'll drain right out of one of the holes. I'll bash it up next weekend, see how it does. Should be just fine. My front tire is holding up. It's got about 2,700 miles on it. The Motoz Desert Tractionator HT. The Ram mount double take mirrors are holding up pretty good. I need a new set of grips. Got the old 7/8 Pro Taper KX low bars off my 98 CR80 Expert. Them Rocks risers, they're an inch up and an inch back. They work great also. Alright, so the tire is a Motoz Extreme Hybrid Gummy BFM. Don't know what the BFM stands for, but it grips. I mean, this mud just pushes through it like there's nothing. The slick rocks, I mean, just pushes through them, like you're on dry pavement. I mean, I've been really impressed with this tire. Running about 15 psi. The high pressure side, like I said, I was only able to get 90 in, so I gotta fix that.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks real deep. I mean, we could cross it right there, maybe.
It looked like it was about 3 foot deep in the middle.
I can't even see the bottom there. That shit looks like it's at least 2 feet deep. At least 2 feet.
Yeah, I wasn't crossing it. There's lots of rock in there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We could probably cross right on that ledge. It's like a rock buildup. Yeah. I don't have a problem with that.
was a little bit apprehensive about
Nice and cool down here.
going in.
We should have moved a little 20 more feet.
Letting the bike take a swim. You know, never been to this place before, and didn't quite want to get stuck there. I'm about an hour away from my house. This is like a rock shelf. It's not too deep here. I think it barely got up to my axle in certain spots. But my boot got soaked. I went in almost to my knee. It's just on the other side of this rock ledge. It's
almost lost
deeper.
it.
Once I got my footing, it was easy. Just went right through it.
Woohoo!
If it wasn't for this ledge here, I'd
leg.
just blast across the water and, you know, just go for it. But the ledge, I have to jump down the ledge and then into the water, and I don't think that would work out so well. It's only about 15, 18, maybe 20 feet across. Got that bounce.
Just roll with it. Just roll with it and feel it out. You'll be alright.
He's running Dunlop D606s, I do believe. Or no, he's running Michelin, I'm sorry.
There we go.
He has no complaints out of his tire. His buddy's got D606s on his WR. And looking back to the footage, he's got traction everywhere. I want to shout out to Flatland Racing for giving us what we need with the skid plate. All us rally guys out there have pretty much had nothing for skid plates. Also CRF'sOnly and Rocky Mountain ATV.